y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, thank you for stopping by. I hope you like what you see. I hope you gain something from it. Something. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell notification, so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You won't miss nothing. You know, you'll be in there. Y'all, I'm looking like this and whatever because I just got back from the dentist. I got my wires changed and my bands changed, and as y'all can see, I got black. But anyway, over the weekend I decided to try out the 3-row comb. First person I saw do a wash and go with this comb is Z Marie Beauty. She did a wash and go with it, and her wash and go was bomb. And then I saw I think I saw Kimberly Sherrill use it as well, and then I saw finally Amber use it. So after I saw them use it, I was like, I gotta try it. So I went to Sally's and I picked up this comb, the 3-row comb, for about $2, and I decided to try it out. I tried it out over the weekend for a wash and go. Now, what I did was I shampooed my hair, deep conditioned my hair, all that good stuff, put on my leave-in, and then I detangled with this. As far as just straight out detangling with this, it really didn't work for me the first time I tried to use it. Now, this weekend when I did this wash and go was not the first time I tried to use it. I tried to use it the time before just to straight out detangle my hair, and it didn't work. I don't know why. I think my hair was just really tangled at the time. I don't know. But I did use it over the weekend to detangle, and I made sure that my hair was under the water, had my head under the water, and I went up from the bottom, up from the ends up to the root. And it detangled perfectly. And then I went in with some cream, a butter, and a gel. Well, first I did the cream and the butter together. I put it on my hair to moisturize my hair, so my hair would have some moisturization underneath the gel. And after I put in the cream and the butter, I went in again and detangled with the 3-row comb. And you know, it works really good. So then I put on the gel, and I worked the gel in just a little bit before I tried to slide this bad boy through. It glided through perfectly. It glided through just fine, but I honestly didn't really like the way it made my curls look. After I think I went through it like once, and then I went through it twice, and then the third time I noticed that it just really made my hair frizzy. Like, the first time, okay, cool. The second time, okay, I defined it a little bit. But the third time I went through, it was like frizzy. So I was like, you know, like, I don't know, maybe I didn't put on enough gel or whatever, but I just was not feeling it. Just letting this, you know, shingle my hair per se. So I went in with my fingers and I did it the old-fashioned way. But what I did do is I did continue to use this comb to detangle my hair before I put my gel on. And what I did notice is that the shingling that it did do while I was detangling, I still had those pieces. Once I put the gel on, like, those pieces were still shingled, just they weren't as frizzy. I can say that as the detangler, I really did like this comb, but as a definer, a curl definer, a shingler to use solely for my wash and goes, I don't think I'll be doing that. But I will continue to use it to detangle my hair before I put on my gel and rake my hands through on my own to define my curls for my wash and goes, because as y'all can see, I did get some really good results. I really feel like this comb helped because, like I said, I used it mainly to detangle before I put my gel on. But what I did notice is that even after my gel, that the gel defined the shingled parts that the comb made. It did shingle my hair, it did separate my curls, but by me using my hands to go in and smooth the gel in as opposed to the comb, it made my hair smoother instead of frizzy like the comb was beginning to do. So like I said, I will continue to use this for detangling and before I put my gel on for my wash and goes. But as just using this by itself, like Z Marie Beauty was able to use this comb by itself to define her curls, and it was beautiful. But like I be telling y'all, everybody's hair is not the same. So what works for me may not work for you. What may work for you may not work for me. So yeah, all in all, I give this comb a thumbs up because I really did like it. I just won't rely solely on this comb for curl definition. but as y'all can see, I got that anyway. So yeah, if you're thinking about trying the 3-row comb, I say go for it. I mean, you won't be wasting too much money because it was only like $2 for me. So you won't be wasting any money, and then you may find a great detangler. Now y'all know I usually don't detangle with a comb. The last time I detangled with a comb was when I was relaxed. Ever since I've been natural, I've been using brushes to detangle my hair, whether it's a Denman brush or my Tangle Tamer brush that I got from Sally's. But since my hair has been natural, I have not used a comb other than like a wide tooth comb. I've never used a comb with teeth this close together. So that's big that I would want to still use it again. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you like my results. I hope that if you try it out, you get some great results as well. And go check out Z Marie Beauty, Kimberly Sherrill, and Finally Amber's videos on this 3-row comb and how they use it. And I will see y'all in my next video.